Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what to sell on Etsy in 2020. So, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to also join my Handmade Boss community so you could get access to tons of Etsy freebies. I will leave the link below. So let's go ahead and take a look at Etsy trends for 2020. Now I will also leave the link below as well if you guys want to go ahead and check it out yourself as well. So this is what Etsy is auto-populating as an Etsy trend for 2020. As you guys see, a lot of it is Trump 2020, a lot of t-shirts for him to be nominated for 2020. Also, guest signs or signs for weddings looks really popular. Clothing is always something very popular on Etsy as well. Decoration, home decor, earrings. Let's see what else. So let's kind of look at each page to kind of get an idea. So rings, scarves. Okay. We have t-shirts again. So the most popular one is Trump 2020. That seems to be the one thing that's standing out. T-shirts, also wedding signs made out of wood and regular wedding sign prints. Calendars for 2020. And let's take a look at a couple different pages here. Again, wedding signs, clothing, um, iPhone cases. So it's a couple iPhone cases that we've seen. Again, a couple mugs, but not that many. Home decor. Go to page 4. So another mug, couple signs, scarves. So it looks like it's common, like almost like the common thing. Um, Wedding signs, clothing, mugs, t-shirts. The t-shirts are more in favor of Trump 2020 and wedding signs. So this kind of gives you an idea of the things that are currently trending for 2020. I will leave the link below. You can always be checking it periodically and they'll start adding additional stuff as well. But just wanted to give you an idea of what you could start doing for 2020. Maybe you're thinking of opening a new Etsy shop, or maybe you want to get an idea of what you could do to improve your own Etsy shop. So looking at these things will help you get new ideas, get new inspirations. I'm not saying to copy other people, but to get new inspirations and kind of see what's trending for 2020. If you guys have any ideas of anything that you are thinking of starting, leave it in the comment section. I would love to hear. And don't forget, if this is your first time visiting, to subscribe. Thank you for watching.